Hello and welcome. Now in this lecture we'll learn how we can select our location using Revit MEP. So as you know that the location in HVAC is very important, because with the help of location we can select the weather condition and data of that site. So with the help of that data we can design our whole project. So for that, first of all, you can select your location of our project. So here in manage tab you go to this location. So here you see this is project location panel, and you can select location icon from here. So after selecting this, you see this is location and site. So here we have two method of defining our location. First is that default city list. So here you see these are list of cities, so you can select your city where you want to create our project. So second one is internet mapping. So by internet mapping you can go to internet map, and from here this map you can pin your location. So after that you can select OK. Now our location is selected.